Hi guys, it's Roo here from Prepare Camping. Just a quick little video today to show you some bargains I got from our local Lidl. Firstly, I got this little flexible solar powered lamp. You can also use it as like a power bank for your phone or something like that, or a solar charger. I got this pretty cool little tidy little cook set. It's a two-person cook set, so there's some good stuff in there. And I got this aluminium table. So I'll set the table up and put it all on top of that. Okay, so obviously, you know, these legs just concertina open like. It's pretty handy how the whole kit comes inside quite a big sort of stuff sack of its own as well. These poles have little holes in at the ends, and they just fit over these little studs that are on the top of the legs now. Obviously one for each side. And then once you've fitted these, obviously, the tabletop ends fit on top of them. And they just go on top of the screws, you know, and then you can slide them in or out a little bit. And finally, the roll top also has these little bits have a little bit of giving them here, so you can make them a bit easier. You know, they slide so you can fit a bit easier, and they just click into the ends. And that's it. You just, you know, do one end, and then you just roll it out and do the other, and there's your table. So here's the table made up, and firstly I'll look at the lamp now. It's powered by the same button, and it has 3 different modes. It's got low, high and flashing for the light mode. And this little red LED lights up to indicate that it's charging from the sun. It's IP66 waterproof rating, so that's pretty good. And you know, it'll float if you drop it in water. If you've got the top screwed on, that is, because it also acts as a container. You know, I keep the USB charger inside it. Now, I've already got one of these lamps from before. That's a different brand, so I know what it does. But you know. Now the cook set, you can see here it lists all the parts. So you got the pot, the pan, the pot holder, 2 plates, 2 cups, and a carry bag, which is pretty good. It's like $8.99. So obviously the frying pan for this would also double up as a pot lid for the main pot if you were doing it that way. And that's got these folded handles attached to it, and the pot holder on the main pot itself gets a really good grip actually. So there's the carry sack. Bit flimsy, but it'll do, better than nothing. Two reasonable plastic cups. You know, you can have a cup of coffee in them. Not really mug of tea worthy, but you know, good enough for that. This is really good. I like how the pot holder and the plates come in separate sort of felty sort of bags, so they'll stop you from scratching the non-stick lining on the pots. That's pretty cool. So yeah, that's quite a handy little set. I like that. Well worth £9. And it, you know, packs away nicely as well, fairly easily. And you know, like I say, the mesh bag, it's a little bit on the flimsy side, but it's better than nothing. So yeah, I mean, the table was £17, the cook set was £9, the solar lamp was £8. So some bargains. They're at Lidl today. I think they'll have them for a week, but I don't think they'll last long. So, you know, get them whilst they're hot, as it were. I'd like to hear your feedback, guys. If any of you guys, do get some of these, let me know what you think of them. And if you like this video, I'd appreciate it if you give it a like, give it a thumbs up, as it were.